Today we are going to discuss about word problems of fractions. Exercise 5E. Number 1. See that in number 1, in class 3/8 of the students are girls. So 3/8 students are girls. Total number of students given 72. So total is 72. So number of girls is 72 into 3/8. So 8, 9, so 27. So 27 students are girl. Okay. Now number 4. So in number 4, see that a man has rupees 37500. So total amount equals to 37500. Now he gives 7/15 of it to its daughter and rest to his son. So 7/15 of total amount given to his daughter. So daughter gets rupees 37500 into 7/15. Cut it by 5 first. So 3, and this is 7500. And if we cut again, we get this is 2500. So that is amount 17500. So daughter gets 17500. So rest amount gives to son. So rest amount is rupees 37500 minus 17500. So rupees 20,000. So 20,000 give this amount to son. Okay. Now next number 5. Total earns is rupees 18,000. Spends 5/9 of this to household and 5/12 of this to other expenses. So rest equals to 1 minus 5/9 plus 5/12, because I am taking total is 1 and the total expense is 5/9 and 5/12. So add 5/9 plus 5/12. So after LCM of 9 and 12 we get 36. So 20 plus 15 by 36, 35 by 36, then again same process we can find, that is 1 by 36. So this is savings. So savings is 18,000 into 1 by 36, that is rupees 500. After cancelling this we can find this 500. Okay, so 500 is the total savings amount. Okay, this is number 5. Now next number is number 8. Product of three numbers is given. So this is 5 of 1 by 2, that is 11 by 2. Two numbers are 2 of 2 by 7, that is 16 by 7, and 1 of 3 by 8, that is 11 by 8. So if we multiply three numbers we get 11 by 2. That means 16 by 7 into 11 by 8 into other number, you have to find this number. So equal to 11 by 12. So if we cancel out, then we get 22 by 7 into other number equals to 11 by 2. So other number equals to 11 by 2 into 7 by 22. So as division rule, this is reciprocal. So 11 by 2 into 7 by 22. So if we cancel it, 11 and 22, we get 2 and 1. So 7 by 4, that is 1 of 3 by 4. Okay, this is number 8. Next, number 10. From a rice bag, 39 kg taken out. Then left out is 8 by 21 of the total. Now the taken out portion is, if total portion is 1, then taken out portion 1 minus 8 by 21, because to 8 by 21 portion is left out in the bag. So taken out 1 minus 8 by 21. So 21 minus 8 by 21, this is 13 by 21. So 13 by 21, that means 39 kg, it is taken out portion. So 13 by 21 of rice bag equals to 39. So 13 by 21 into rice bag equals 39. So rice bag, the weight of the rice bag equals to 39 into 21 by 13. If we cancel out, that is 13 and 1, 39, this is 3. So if we multiply the numerator, we get 63 kg. Number 10. Okay. So in number 13, Mr. Menon had rupees 2,25,000 rupees. He gave 1 by 3 of this total money to his son and 1 by 5 of the total money to his daughter, and the rest for his wife. So wife gets 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, because if total money is 1, then you have to subtract the values of the son and the daughter. After calculation we get 7 by 15. So wife gets total money into 7 by 15, so that is 225,000 into 7 by 15, that is 1,05,000 rupees. Okay, see that. Now in number 14, see that in examination total number of candidates is given 630. Appeared in the first part 3 by 10 of the total candidate. So 630 into 3 by 10, that is 189. Appeared in the second part, that is 2 by 15 of the total candidate. That means 630 into 2 by 15. After cancellation 630 into 2 by 15, we get 84. So total number appeared, that is 189 plus 84, that is 273. So appearing both parts, first part and second parts, that is total number of candidate minus those who are appear in first part and those who are appear in the second part, that is 630 minus 273, that is 357. So 357 candidates are appearing both parts in the exam. Okay. In number 16, Rima spends 1 by 2 of her money in a shop. So if Rima has total money 1, then remaining is 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 of her money. Now she spends 1 by 3 of the remaining in bus fare. That means 1 by 3 of 1 by 2 of her money, that means 1 by 6. 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 of her money in bus fare. So remaining after bus fare, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, that is 1 by 3. So finally left amount is rupees 20. So 1 by 3 of the total money is rupees 20. That means total money equals to 20 into 3, that is 60. Okay. Very easy sum. Do it in your copy. Huh? Okay. So in number 17, see that a container of milk 4 by 5 is full. So see that 4 by 5 is full. So up to this is full. If you add 10 liter milk, then this is 9 by 10 is full of the container. So that means 9 by 10 is full when you give 10 liter milk on the container. So we can write here 9 by 10 minus 4 by 5 of the container means 10 liter. So if we calculate 9 by 10 minus 4 by 5, the LCM is 10 and this is 9 minus 8, this is 1 by 10. Therefore 1 by 10 of container equals to 10 liter. That means container is contain 100 liter. Okay. And this is the last one, number 18. Hamid deposited 1 by 4 of his salary, spent rupees 3,000, and after this 7 by 12 left of total salary. Now, so total is 1. So he deposited 1 by 4 and 7 by 12 is left. So left portion is 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 12, that is 1 by 6 after calculation. So 1 by 6 of salary is 3,000, that is spent. So salary is 3,000 into 6, that is 18,000. Okay. Thank you all. Have a nice day.